What did I go for?
How would you like
Sorry we get to the call, okay?
Where?
Sorry I get to the call.
Okay.
Sometimes my life seems like it has been so long and so short at the same time. I feel as if I've lived for an eternity. And yet it's as if no time has passed at all.
Enzo?
I hear the worry in his voice.
What happened, pal? Oh, Enzo.
I could smell the day on him. Motor oil, and gasoline, and roast chicken.
Can you get up, bud?
I saw a documentary about Mongolia on TV once.
Okay.
In Mongolia, when a dog dies, he is buried high in the hills so people cannot walk on his grave.
I'm here, buddy. I'm right here.
It's okay. It's not bad. It's not bad.
What?
This is not a bad movie.
No, it's
The
good.
dog will return as a man. Not all dogs return as men, they say. Only those who are ready.
Let's get you up.
I am ready. I know death is not the end. Eve told me so, and I believe her.
Yes, we were in a few minutes.
When I return to this world, I will practically be an adult the moment I am plucked from the womb with all the preparation I have done.
There he is.
I will walk among my fellow men, lick my lips with my small dexterous tongue, and shake hands with a firm grasp.
There's my Enzo.
And I will teach
Yeah,
people
I'm kind
all
of
that I
think of
know,
it some ways.
all that I have learned.
You okay now?
I'm fine, Denny. I am.
You've always been with me. You've always been my Enzo. First time I saw you, I knew we were supposed to be together.